I bet these niggas shook. Pass the ball, little nigga, no look. Niggas been mad, niggas so what? Been telling niggas get they dough up. Nigga been telling bitch I go up, bitch. I'm saying, nigga, are you a YouTuber?
Why?
So then don't tell me shit.
Wait, so what,
nigga.
What if it's not on your face?
It is. I'm too good. I know how to do it.
Okay.
Yeah, nigga.
I'm
She talking about Jada.
What are you talking about? Now you're not on it. Just Jada.
Jada.
Wait, I didn't see that.
Duh.
Jada in the corner. And you.
Look, she don't understand this YouTube shit. I'm not a YouTuber though, but this is my YouTube page. Huh?
Scrub is a guy that thinks he's flying, is also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on it.
On the hood, look. You got your own holiday. Who the hell is that?
I don't care about a day with my name. And when I say us, I mean every person who fought every step of the way. So you can go anywhere and be whatever you want in life. But no, you chose to be a quote-unquote gangster. But what I see, and what you told me about your upbringing, I know the fault is not all yours. I know somewhere along the way, we elders fell off the track and stopped teaching. But that's not an excuse for you not to become a great individual.
Man, what about me?
You see me?
Big baller brand, ice.
UCLA, I got my degree. You know the perfect picture of your dreams, or not? Yeah, I do want my people to have wealth, but at what cost? What are you talking about?
It didn't cost anything.
You still don't understand. I needed people like you who stood out. You know, and even though you came from a wealthy family, it doesn't mean that you're a big white guy. Even though I want us to live side by side with our white brothers and sisters, doesn't mean I wanted you to become one. But you walked right past the opportunity because you thought if you walk, talk, and it looked white, you thought that'd change everything. But it doesn't. Them white boys still talk about you and tell racist jokes.
Hey, hold on. Check this out. Why can't you just put the past? Let's think about the present, look into the future. Why we can't do that? You can't give us another chance, Dr. King?
Oh my God. I've been waiting on you to say something. You know, you're the worst one out of all of them. You walk around here like you don't see what's going on. Like it's self-hating there. Like you don't see it. Like everything's all fine and dandy. You see how James thinks his wife? You see how Thomas sees himself as a thug? And yet you sit there and say nothing.
That's not my priority, though. You want to be a thug, you in the hood, and you want to be a white boy? Yeah, Dr. King, a lot of change since how you think.
Yeah, look.
A lot of change, man.
I'm in the streets. And we're gonna change we could change, but I ain't changing this.
My question is, you ain't changing nothing. What color do you want your suit to be at your funeral? Huh?
I ain't dying to nobody. My color, my funeral gonna be blue.
You don't understand. And even if I was to go back, what makes you think I trust you? You know, talk is cheap.
Okay, but our actions speak louder than words. Just give us a second chance, Dr. King. We can show you.
Well, let me show you one thing. Look out the window. Tell me what you see.
I see a Eddie. I'm trying to say, hey,
Black people, man, you know, a lot of people. Man, what's your point, man? What's your point? Get to the point.
You don't see it? Look at the man in suits. The ones playing dice.
I'm trying to play dice.
Look at the ones that's just walking past. How do you not see it? Black men are not united. Look at how the ones in suits look down on the black man playing dice. And the ones that's just walking past not even aware of the self-hate in the air. And that's all it is. Hate, hate, hate. When we're supposed to be united.
Man, Dr. King, I just feel like this. I'm sorry, man, but I can't change society by myself. It takes everybody.
True. But what are you willing to change?
I'm going to change myself and help those around me.
Well, I'll leave if I give you this. If I give you the word black and take away the letter B, what is the word?
Black. Hey, cuz, tell me what you really trying to say.
What I'm trying to say is, if you lack self-knowledge, self-worth, and self-love, it's hard for you to be black. Now, in order for me to go back, which door am I going out of?
That's a lot of doors, but
Answer the facts.
I'm assuming you're going back to the door. I mean, where you came from, you trusted us, man. when we was all united, when James wasn't think he white, when he
Our rights and education, but one day that it would change. We just trying to make it over obstacles up in our way. I'm tired of seeing black folks crying, tired of seeing it in the pain. Man, they always hold it down, and for that we give them thanks. Cause Trump don't got no hobby. LA police and Aggie government don't see the obvious. Why we hate the politics? Money on their mind, yeah, they blind and sleepwalk. Money on their mind, yeah, they blind and sleepwalk.
It's gonna be brief, like 15, 20 seconds. Y'all ready? Alright. Yeah, my name Big Baller Camp. Greatest to do it cause I'm a camp. How your phone still got a flip, stacking my bread back full of chips. Not gonna stop there, I'ma keep it going. Ready no more, stay flowing. I'm the master cause I stay glowing. This is a showcase and I'm still strong. I'm all fried chicken finger licking this, all part of Q. Boy, visions he was teaching me. And not just listen, he dropped the game, but we run the business. The business start off with making money. All smart with not no dummies. What we do is like the snow bunnies, got the fresh gear, getting all the honeys. Yeah.
Shout out to Linwood Media Zone. Here we go. Best when the streets did the rest. I'm reading books for all A's on my test. I felt like giving up at times when I stayed on my grind. I had a lot on my mind. Mom got to college, but she had to drop out. That's why she pushed me down the right route. I was so stressed out. I wanted to give up with no doubt. I felt like I ain't had no support. My dad been gone when he left out the door. First person to break my heart. Man, I've been up from the very start. You know how I feel to not have a dad. Wondering why you always feel sad. Now dad, look at what you missing. I'm out here reminiscing. I'm reminiscing. But let me tell you how I grind. I grind so hard that I lose my mind. Anything I want, I gotta work for it. Life ain't easy, it's harder. That's why I push myself till I limit. Mom's in the back telling me you better kill it. First one in the family to go to college. I'm a little rep without born. I'ma make sure I make it out the hood. I'ma come back and make sure my family good. That's what I'm doing, everything I could. Yes, I'll always be misunderstood. Yeah, it's my right on the beat. And y'all know I came with some heat. Let me introduce y'all to my girl named Bree. Let me tell you about this name named King, Berlin King, who had a dream, risked his life for you and me together. My name is Bree. Went from 2 to a 3.3, raised in the streets, but the books love me. Peace, love, loyalty, came a long way for the people like me. Came real dark, so they envy me. We the best, no in between, but let me go back to my man named King, who won in peace, prosperity. I don't care what you think of me, we build legacies, and if you don't believe in me, just believe the dream. Started from the bottom, now we 6 feet deep. Now we on top, now God rules speed. Second back, now we sitting in the front, our skin, hope her.
Dio! What the fuck going on? Oh my god! Oh my god! I didn't get the good shit. It wasn't recording. Hello YouTube, hello world. Damn, that's crazy. Damn, that's crazy. YouTube, how you doing? YouTube, how you doing today? You know it's a good day, they fighting and shit. But you know, it ain't none of my business because I don't want to hurt nobody. But look, this is some exclusive shit right here. Y'all thought this was tight shit, you already know what I'm talking about. Shit. I'm doing me and all that, because you know, it's somebody's earring right here. Shit, I don't know. Shit, I'm just, you know, doing me all that. Hey, y'all say hey to the YouTube. It's on YouTube. Yeah.
What happened? I wonder what happened. What happened?
Shit, they was fighting. Shit. I'm YouTube. No, I was recording on the good part of my mama. I thought I was. My mama thought I was recording. I was not recording the whole time. So, you know, this is the aftermath graph, huh? You know what I'm saying? Hey, guys. Don't fight because it's bad. But, you know, yeah. We got Crystal in the cut.
You know, follow me at the finest scene, you know.
They was funny. I got it for YouTube. YouTube, I got you. See, y'all better start fucking with me now. I got some exclusive shit for y'all.
Shit!
Yeah,
What's going on,
got you.
All this on YouTube.
Yeah, we on YouTube.
We on YouTube with it.
Y'all about to let my views go up. I got some exclusive shit.
Follow me on Instagram. I count bang on.
You better tell them like and subscribe.
Can I see your videos?
Hope y'all enjoyed that vlog. I ain't do much editing because I really didn't feel like doing this shit. I know it's probably like a real regular bullshit ass vlog or whatever, but shit, it's gonna get better, only can get better. Shit, y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe. Shit. And you know, I didn't get the fucking video of the fight. And you know, in the parts I did get, I hope shit. I don't know, offend nobody, you know, none of that shit, whatever who got in the video, whatever, who didn't want to be in the video. You know what I'm saying? I'm just doing me entertainment. I'm just doing it for entertainment, you feel me? But shit, make sure y'all like and subscribe. And yeah, hit that like button for a nigga, you know, leave some comments, show a nigga some love, whatever. You know, and I'll be out of this bitch shit. I'm out of here. Peace. I don't say now, I'm like, hey now, you ain't getting no money, you can stay around. Hey now, I don't say now, I'm like, hey now.